We are Okamic, and this is the Ronin Tech Pouch, where your essentials meet effortless organization. Crafted from water-resistant X-Pack fabric with Japanese-made AquaGuard YKK zippers for smooth, reliable use. Perfectly organized 3 liters of functional space, including multiple zip pockets and a dedicated airtag compartment. Cable pass-through for convenience to the front and back compartments. One quick clip and your Ronin Tech Pouch is a sling. Your essentials stay secure, tucked away safely in the hidden RFID-proof pocket. Keep moving, stay connected wherever life leads. Work or play, sometimes the choice is obvious. From bustling streets to hidden waterfalls, the journey is yours to capture. By supporting the Ronin Tech Pouch, you're not only securing yours, you're helping Okamic bring more thoughtful, functional, everyday premium gear to life. The journey continues. Our stretch goal unlocks the Ronin Tech Pouch in smoky blue, opening to reveal a vivid red interior. This unique edition will be available once we reach our stretch goal. Join the pack.